Adding and creating a video gallery on Iran-Oman Virtual Expo. First, in your dashboard, visit My Booth and click on Upload Video to view the form. Videos must be uploaded to YouTube. Go to the video you want to share and click the share icon beneath the video. From the list of share options, click Embed. From the box that appears, copy the HTML code. Navigate to your dashboard and paste the code into shortcode box. To customize the look of your video, click on Select File button and upload the right image for your video. Write a brief description for your video in the media description box. Finally, click the Submit button to upload your video.